So I just finished round 2. So it's 2 double crochet in each stitch and then join. So I'm about to join. So when you join at the top of the chain. So I'm going to stick my hook through that chain. Notice it's through the 2 holes or 2 loops, and then I wrap it, pull it out, and then I keep pulling it through. So we double check our count, right? So in round 2, 2 double crochets. So there's 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2, and then as you go you should count all the way around, and that should be 24. So if I'm counting in the top part, that's another way of doing it. So you have 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24. All right, so this is going to start my next round. Round 3, 2 double crochets in first stitch. So on this one I'm going to double crochet into this stitch right here. So I'm going to turn it this way for the left hand, and then double crochet in the next stitch, and then you're going to do that pattern all the way through. So it's going to be 2 double crochets in one stitch and then 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 2 double crochets in one stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch. So now I'm going to do, so that's 2, that's 1, now I'm going to go 2 again in the next stitch. So we went to the next stitch, I go 1, 2, 1 more, so it goes 2 1 2, and then the next one's going to be 1. And we're going to do that all the way. Look at it at the end of it, it should say that we have 36 double crochets all the way around. So I'm almost at the last part. I just wanted to show you why you would need to double crochet in there. So if we start this out, there's 2 right here, so it's 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36. So you would double crochet into the last stitch, which would be right there. So it's right here. So you want to make sure you're getting through those 2 holes. There you go. Comes around. Wrong way for me. Loop around this way. Drag it through. Loop around. Drag it through. Loop around. Drag it through. So that's 1, and we do that again. 1, and that would give us our 36, and then we slip stitch and start on row 4. Drag through 2, around, drag through 2, and then your slip stitch. So if you're righty, you'd be looking here, you'd be slip stitching to the top stitch, so it combines or joining. So I'm going to send this through, making sure my string's on the right side. Send that through, wrap, and then you send it through the 2 as well. Oops, I lost it. Send it through the 2. as well as the 1. And then this is where we start row 4. And if you notice how the pattern's going to now go here, so we have our 36. So it's 2 double crochets in the first stitch, double crochet in the next 2 stitches. So instead of doing 2 1 2, we're going to do 2 1 1 2 1 1 all the way around, and then triple check by counting that we have 48 double crochets at the end of this row. So let's start to show you again. You have 2 double crochets in 1 stitch, 1 double crochet in a stitch, 1 double crochet in a stitch, and then we start again with 2 double crochets in a stitch, and then do 1 and 1 for this round. Here again to show that you need to do 2 double crochets in this last stitch to get to the 48 if you follow the pattern of 2 1 1 2 1 1, and then after that you would slip stitch. So oop, I dropped. So 1 2 so that's 1 1 2 hold on.
The one with the strawberries, and then it was okay, a little okay, because I didn't have any more of them. So I don't think, I don't know if I have less or more, but.
So that would be done. I finished round 4, and now we'll be going on to round 5. Round 5 is 2 double crochets in first stitch and double crochet in the next 3 stitches, going all the way around and then ending with 60 double crochets total. Alright, so once again that'll be 2 1 1 1 2 1 1 1. Show you there's 2 in that stitch, and you start with a slip stitch, 1 1 1, and then 2 again, and I'm going to continue that pattern all the way around till I have 60 double crochets. At the ending you're going to do 2 1 1, and then where that first stitch started, you can kind of see on both sides, do the last double crochet, and that'll get you to 60, and then you're going to slip stitch to join, and that will end row 5, and then you're going to continue on row 6, which is 2 double crochets in the first one. So right where I just did my slip stitch is usually where I start it. So 1 2, so 2 double crochets in the first one, and then you're going to go 1 1 1 1, and then 2. So it's 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet. Sorry, I went back to ready on this one. 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet. So that would be 3 double crochets, and then 1 more, making it the 4th. So following row 6, it would be 2 1 1 1 1, and then this one would be 2, and I'll do this one left-handed. So I flip it over, stick it through, flip
Found it, Mom. This is what looks like it's going to be to us today. This book is going to us.
Okay.
See, look, Mom. It has these things.
So it's 1.
The highest person, the person who is the highest is the small. The person who is the lowest is the small. I'm the lowest. I'm the jungle. There's not even lower.
So that would be, once again, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, and you work way all the way around, ending with 72 double crochets. So that would be about here, and most likely you're gonna have to do that last double crochet right into that hole right there before the beginning of this one. Finishing round 6, I need to do 1 more double crochet, and like I said before, to finish that pattern of 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. So I'm gonna wrap, send it through the last area, come back out, and then I'm gonna slip stitch, and that's gonna begin our next round, round 7. So round 7 is just double crochet into each one and join, and then keep going. So round 7 goes 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and to keep track, once I'm done with the round, I check it off or cross it off so that I know I've completed all the rounds that I need to, and then I can begin ribbing. Double crochet, once again, you're going to have into 72 of them, so I wrap, put it through the 2, come back out, go through 2, go through 1, and then I go to the next one. So I'll do that all the way around for round 7 through 16. And once again, when I get to the end, to this last stitch right here, I'm going to double crochet and then join it to that. This is finishing round 7. Once again, you want to do a double crochet into the one hook that's also the same area where you're doing your slip stitch, and then if you count them, you'll have 72, and then you can begin and do the same thing for the rest of 7 through 16. I just did 16. I'm about to do my last crochet or double crochet, and in doing this, I'm then going to slip stitch and close it up, and we're going to start on the ribbing. So double crochet, and then if you notice, my slip stitch is going to come into here. So I'm going to, I'm doing it righty right now. I'm going to come in, flip it through, close it up, so that finishes row 16. Then I'm going to start the ribbing. Before I start the ribbing, you notice down here, you want to change your hook to a size G. So this is my G hook. Alright, and then once I have my G hook, I'm going to take that loop and chain 12. And we'll do that in a second.